All right, so we got the countertops going in today. So got this single undermount sink going in. We had a couple issues with these plug-ins, it's that focus, are very high. And this drain's high, so we're gonna have to do some adjustment to make sure this fits in, because we also have a garbage disposal that we have to deal with. So yeah, we'll have to play around with it a little bit, but we'll get it done. And right now they're cutting the granite right now. So I will let you guys have, I'll just keep throwing in clips till we get done with the sink, the plumbing, and the counters, and then we'll go from there, from touch-ups to getting the fridge and the stove in and all that. So all right. Also, another upgrade was we got the black handles right here, so we got that put in. It's crazy how like the finishing touches really set everything off, and you know what I mean, everything is ready to go. And it's so crazy because it's like we did the paint, we did everything, we have the handles, all this, but we still have to do the trim. So basically just flooring, and then we're going to put in about 4-inch baseboard all the way around, and then we're going to get baseboard trim 4 inches all the way across to cover it, kind of like this, but this is I think 3-inch, not 4. But yeah, we're gonna do that to the bathroom and everything. So it looks so not complete and not done, but all the accent pieces, everything's there. It's all coming together. Basically, we're just left with paint touch-ups and flooring, and that's it. And we should be done. So, and obviously the baseboard. So. Yeah, so it's like when you look at this room, if you look at the previous vlogs, you'll see that it was like yellow, had ugly baseboard and everything. So right now, all this room needs right now is flooring and trim, and that's it, and we're good to go, and we're done. And that's crazy to think about because it looks so incomplete, but yeah, and flooring goes easy. Flooring usually takes a day, so especially for about like 900 square feet. So all right, see you on the next vid.